Good morning, YouTube. I had some audio issues with my helmet. Hopefully they're fixed. It seemed like the wiring went faulty. But on top of that, I received an early birthday present from my lovely wifey, and that's a new SB Engineering exhaust. So I should have put the footage of the exhaust getting fitted just at the start of the video. So I have went a test run for it before. The weather's been so bad I've not actually came out to try it again, but what a great piece of kit. SB Engineering have done a fantastic job on the Diabolus XLS. It looks great, it sounds fantastic. Hopefully you can hear something, but that deep growl it has, absolutely lovely. And once the revs have been off, when you let off the power and the engine braking kicks in, you get that lovely burble and pop. Oh, it sounds so good. I should have been talking about the exhaust there, but I can't even concentrate. That sounds so good.